Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa. For those who don't know me, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and click the notification button so that you don't miss any of my video. If you've subscribed, thank you. For everyone who has subscribed, please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I hold my short hair into a bun, my favorite wash and go style. I like it because it's easy and takes the minimal time possible. Yeah, so let's get started. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. So my hair is damp. Yeah, I feel itchy, slightly damp. I like it a little bit drier because my hair is kind of soft a little. So if I make it extra damp, the gel doesn't hold, so after some time the hair go back to like normal, something of the sort. So I like it when it's a little bit drier. So first thing, I detangle my hair with a wide comb. After that, I will apply my gel. I'm going to use the common styling gel, the Eco Styler gel. Hope you can see it's clear. The good thing about this Eco Styler gel is that it doesn't leave you with flakes, at least for my hair. I don't know if that's the same way it works for you guys. You can alternatively use a comb to scoop your gel and apply it on your hair like this. I personally like to apply the gel all over my hair for it to start soaking first before I start combing it through or out. You can already see that the bun is starting to come through. So at this moment, I will take my hairband and put it into close proximity with me because my hair is short, so I want to be very fast when holding everything up before it starts falling back. So after that, I will go in with my narrower tooth comb to comb my hair through to hold it. You see, it's more kind of like a brush, but I will still use a brush so that I'm able to hold everything. I don't know if you can see. My hair is already coming through. After my narrower comb, I still like to go in with my brush so that I can slick everything down. Oh, yeah, see? My pony coming through. And this is what I meant when I meant that I put my hairband close. You see how fast that was without the need to look for the hairband. Then after that, I will tie my hair so that everything is slicked down and the hair is not falling back for some time. If you have a blow dryer, you can actually blow dry for it to dry faster if you're in a hurry. If you're not in a hurry, you can always do your makeup afterwards or do something else. As simple as that. So I'll wait for some minutes before I put in my band. Depending on the look that I want, I will either go in with a big extension like this. What is it? Yeah, like this. Or I have a similar one but a small one. If I don't want to be too dramatic, I use a smaller one, or a straight extension. Since my pony is so tiny, you can see how tiny it is, I like to add in a braid, 1 or 2. I will love 2 because my hair is really thin. So I will add to these 2 kinky braids and secure them with a bobby pin so that it can have an illusion that I have a big pony. So I do that because I want it to be so easy to secure my extension, because if the pony is tiny, the extension looks really funny. Like that. Then the other braid, I start from the opposite direction. Then after that, I will secure with my bobby pin from front. And back. Now I will add my extension because I want it to be a little dramatic. I will use the bigger extension. It's already combed. See what I meant? So if my pony was tiny, it could be really funny and then very difficult to secure the extension completely. Oh, I can't see. So you can see the look has, I think the look has changed. So start from front. Then take it to the opposite direction I want to secure it completely, so when there is wind, my extension is not flying. Yeah, so that's it. That's the final look. Hope you like it. Very easy. It doesn't take you a lot of time. It just took a lot of time because I am talking while doing it on this video, but it's very fast and easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Bye. Thank